Welcome to Full Stack EAP. All right, so we're in the gold market and the 1 minute time frame. Okay, and then look at what is happening here. All right, look at what is happening here. So when you check the 1 minute time frame, you are seeing an upward movement. All right, but you will see that initially there was a downward movement. Okay, so more like a bullish, more like a bearish candle. Sorry, a bearish trend. Okay, you're seeing a bearish trend down here. Okay, so gold has been trending even downwards since today. So from what we are seeing right now, yeah, believing okay, getting to so you see the pattern. So we are scalping, remember. So and then okay, and it got to 436.98 for high, and then it moved even down. And there was a resistance at three. Okay, so there was a resistance and then a support of the support at 3927.34. Okay, and then again there was an upward movement down here, and then more like a fake out again. So you are seeing that on the 1 minute time frame, you're going to see consolidations happening within this time frame. Okay, within this time frame. So within this section, you're going to see mainly support and resistance from what we are seeing, because right now the bullish trend, which is on the long run, as we are seeing here, there was a very much stronger. We're doing great right now, so we are seeing this get into our direction. So we need to be patient. So I believe that this will get to or take profit. All right, so just anticipate and see how it's going to be. All right, so remember we have our stop loss. How about stop loss? And then we are not scared of what will happen in this market, because if also put there, let's go there even more. Let's go there, move even downward, move even downward. Right, so there was a pullback at 4032.33, and right now it's even going to our direction. All right, so hit it right now, hit it right now. All right, so let's watch this. Sometimes the market is like that, so you just have to watch it happen. And sometimes you can even reverse at that point. All right. And if you know this has happened to you, whereby it's almost hitting your take profit and it's reversing back to a stop loss, please drop a comment below. All right. And we'll say, why didn't we take out the take profit? Why didn't we close the trade? Sometimes you just have to allow the take profit do its job, right? Allow the take profit, allow the stop loss do its job. All right. So we are going to wait for the next turn. All right. So let's just so right now, from analysis, we are going to double down, right? We're going to double down. So let's watch and see what will happen with this, okay? This time around, we're taking it to the 1 minute time frame, all right? So we double down on this trade, and then we are hitting almost a loss right now. So this is 2 times what we bargained for, right? So that's what it is. Too bad, all right? So who knows? Today's market is really, really not too good, all right? So we are having $10.33 in loss. All right, so this time around, the third trade, we must be very, very careful. All right, so we are on the third trade right now. So remember, the first one was a loss, second one was a loss, and then we are on the third trade right now. Sometimes you just have to stick to the rules, and sometimes it's very difficult for many traders, very difficult, and it's actually not easy. Okay, it's not actually easy. So right now it's almost repeating the same thing, right? So whatever I want to close this trade, allow it to hit take profit, I just have to allow it to hit take profit, and that's that. Boom. So we are checking our history. So right now we made a loss of $5 and $10 rather, and then we made a profit of $12, and then we had the recovery, and so we ended up with $167. All right, so that is that for today. All right, you want us to go for another one, or you want us to go for another one? Some will say yes, but in our next video we'll go for much more. All right, so stay tuned.